Hey there, thanks for watching my Cash Cloner review by Chris X and Rich Williams, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you the demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This review is based on my honest opinion of actually purchasing this product and logging into the dashboard myself. I'm going to take you with me as I research this product, the strategy that it wants you to use, and all of the problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when our next video comes out. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Okay, now, let's see what Cash Cloner promises us. This is a new app that clones cash profits of $354+ per day into their accounts. This is new for September 2021. 0 experience needed and 1 button activation. Once I started looking at all these bullet points over here, I realized I'd seen this before. If we take a look at his product 100K Cloner, you can see all of the bullet points are exactly the same. If we look at another product of theirs, Affiliate Cloner, again, all of the bullet points look exactly the same. And if we look at Commission Creator, again, all of the bullet points are the same. So they really are just taking the sales page and repackaging it over and over again. On this demo video, they do tell us that once you get going with Cash Cloner, you'll never need to buy another marketing software ever again. But if we look at the way these guys put out products, I think they just mean you aren't going to have to buy another one until the end of this month. This is how they make their money, is by repackaging these products and selling them, not actually using them. One more thing on the sales page I wanted to take a look at. Down here they tell us that commissions, leads, and traffic all preloaded into one website, your website. And again, that it's preloaded with social traffic and list building components. Blast your links to 75 times free traffic sources. So when we get in here, we're going to be looking for 75 different traffic sources, right? Here we are in the Cash Cloner dashboard. As soon as I came in here, I realized I had seen this before. If we take a look at his Commission Creator dashboard, you can see the only thing here it seems to be missing is the training. So not only was the sales page for this cloned, but this product is cloned as well. Once you go into the training, it takes you straight to Affiliate Cloner training. And if we look back at their product on Munchai, Affiliate Cloner actually came out in October, and Commission Creator, which also looks exactly the same, came out in April. So as we can tell, this is a clone of a clone of a clone. Right when you come into the dashboard, you see your affiliate site URL. This is not branded for you, and you do not own this. If something happens to this product, there is nothing you can do about it. For example, they released ClickBank Traffic app in July. We did purchase this, and I cannot log in. It goes straight to an expired page, and we own this. So when this goes down, I don't know if I'm making money or not. This can't be found, so is anybody seeing it? Next, you would want to get all of your settings in order. Each one is a different block that you just input current information into. They do give you option to put logos and images in. Your affiliate ID, they do want your JVZoo, your ClickBank, and your Warrior Plus. You will put these in here, but you are not approved on JVZoo or Warrior Plus. You will still have to get approval to promote these products. ClickBank does not have a wait for affiliate approval, and neither does a fairly new, cool site out there called Digistore24. If you guys are interested in some of their products, be sure to click the link for the playlist above where Kim walks you through all the steps of Digistore24 for affiliate marketing. They also give you an option to connect your social links. In this section, there are 7 that you can input your links to save in here. And if we look back on the dashboard, they also give us some other options here. There are 11 social media sharing buttons total, not 75. But my question to you is this. If you sent an affiliate offer out to everybody on your Facebook list, who would that go to? Would that go to your friends and family, or would that go to people that know you and trust you and want to buy products and recommendations from you? Because there is no preloaded traffic in here when all you're doing is sharing these out to your current existing social media lists. Next, they give you the option to integrate MailChimp. That is the only autoresponder they will let you integrate. If we take a look at MailChimp's guides and tutorials, they do have a section about affiliate links. We often talk about how affiliate links aren't allowed in MailChimp, and I just wanted to go through some of their definitions today. So they want to be clear what they mean when they talk about affiliate marketing versus affiliate links. MailChimp tells us affiliate marketing as an industry is prohibited under their terms of use, but affiliate links are usually fine to use in MailChimp campaigns. They understand that the difference here isn't super clear, so they're happy to provide further explanation. So MailChimp prohibits affiliate marketing in MailChimp, and they allow you to include affiliate links in your campaign. Affiliate marketing is a business model in which marketers are typically paid commissions to generate leads or sales for a third party. Affiliate links, however, are links that direct to a third party but do not market on behalf of that third party. Often, affiliate links are used in the context of a partnership between two independent vendors or businesses. Why does MailChimp prohibit affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketers are generating business for someone else, so there's no real obligation to maintain relationships with contacts they may have in MailChimp. This isn't the type of marketing MailChimp is meant for. So if you are an affiliate marketer, MailChimp is not meant for you. They do understand that some partnerships will use affiliate links, but not straight out affiliate marketing. A little further down, MailChimp tells us that their system automatically scans campaign content for deny listed URLs, and if they detect any issues, they'll stop the campaign and suspend the account. And if they determine a user has intentionally violated their terms of service, they may be forced to close the account permanently. So if you're going to use MailChimp for affiliate marketing, know the rules and regulations. Be really careful how you do that. Next, you would want to come in and choose your offers. These are the same offers that they are offering in the other two products they've released. If we look at Commission Creator, they have WordPress Story Machine, AdSense Lab, Thumbnail Blaster. We have Thumbnail Blaster, AdSense Lab, WordPress Story Machine. So all the same products that they've offered before over and over again. If you choose a ClickBank product, you will not need to wait for affiliate approval. But if you choose a JV Zoo or a Warrior Plus product, you will still have to get affiliate approval. They give you the option to toggle these on and off if for some reason you don't get approved. You can view what your review would look like, or you can go to Get Link, which will take you to the sales page. If I have taught you guys nothing, please do not rely on sales pages to promote your products. Next, they give you the chance to fill out your About, Contact, Disclaimer, and Resources pages. They are giving you a bonus section. Once you pick your products, you can go in and choose a new bonus. Make sure it is congruent with the offer that you are connecting it to. Give it a title, a description, and how much you think it's worth. You can see I've already done 3 here. They give you an opt-in form. You would choose which opt-in form you would want. Super easy, just fill out exactly what they're asking for. They give you a chance to choose where you would like your banners, header, footer, before or after each review. And then we have widgets. Just input the information you want to change and update. Now let's take a look at the page we just made. Here is our Cash Cloner review website. Here you can see it says 10 months ago. That's going to be the affiliate cloner software. There is my opt-in form that shows up as a slide-in. If we look at our reviews, I've also opted for another opt-in form up here, all of the information, and this is what one of the reviews looks like. It's just plain, very boring, not original. It's going to look like all of the other ones that are out there and all of the previous products that have been made. If you added a bonus, it will show up down here, and you can see where I've added some banners and some other opt-in boxes as well. If we look at the page I made with Commission Creator, this is very similar. I put in different graphics, obviously, but same products. The only difference I noticed was there was some actual information down here, as there should be in the newer product, but this is the review website that Cash Cloner makes. So what's the strategy they're trying to get you to use? They want you to come in here and choose an offer, put it onto your website with a review, adding banners, widgets, and opt-in forms, bonuses all over the place, and then send this out to your current existing social media lists, hoping that someone will buy this product from you. Let's take a look at Cash Cloner's pricing. On the front end, it is going to be $17. Upsell number 1 is going to be the unlimited version. That's going to cost you $29. Upsell number 3 is the autopilot edition at $39. Upsell number 4 is going to be done for you at $197. Here they tell you all they need is your ClickBank ID. So that means you won't be doing Warrior Plus or JV Zoo in the done for you. You will have to do that yourself, because they will not have your ID for that. And you're not approved to promote that product through an affiliate link yet. Upsell number 4 is your reseller. They tell you you can sell this top selling warrior offer, but it just launched today, so they don't know if it's top selling or not. Upsell number 5 is the mega bundle. This one's going to run you $97. All total for Cash Cloner, you're going to pay $576 for a product that you probably already own. Guys, please don't waste your time or your money on Cash Cloner. There is nothing new about this. You're not going to get 100% free traffic. It is also not preloaded. Yeah, they host, but if it goes down, like CB Traffic app did, what are you going to do to make money? I hope this Cash Cloner review answered all of your questions. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. Give this video a like if you found value in it. Subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when our next video comes out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.